हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू द पाई डिकोडर्स। आज की इस वीडियो में हम करेंगे एनसीईआरटी क्लास 10th एक्सरसाइज 8.1। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ योर एक्सरसाइज, क्वेश्चन 1, इन ABC राइट एंगल एट B। सो फर्स्ट वी विल ड्रॉ अवर ट्राइंगल, राइट एंगल एट B। दिस इज पॉइंट B, this is point A, this is point C. We have to find sin A. Given क्या है? AB 24, BC 7 centimeter. So AB means base 24 centimeter, then perpendicular 7 centimeter. We have to find sin A. For sin A, perpendicular by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse नहीं है. So first we have to find hypotenuse by Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse is equal to square root of B square plus P square, 24 square plus 7 square, 24 square 576 प्लस 49, दोनों को ऐड करेंगे 625। एंड व्हाट इज स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 625? 25 सेंटीमीटर। नाउ साइन ए, व्हाट इज वैल्यू ऑफ साइन ए? परपेंडिकुलर बाय हाइपोटेन्यूज, परपेंडिकुलर 7, हाइपोटेन्यूज 25। सेकेंड दे आर सेइंग व्हाट इज कोस ए। क्या होता है कोस ए? पंडित, बद्री, प्रसाद, हर हर बोले। ये साइन और ये कोस। सो कोस ए होगा हमारा B बाय H। B है हमारा 24, H है 25. This answer is your first part. सेकेंड पार्ट में साइन C कोस C। आपको ये पहले भी बताया था, राइट एंगल का एडजेसेंट एंगल जो होता है बेस पे, हमें उस एंगल की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी होती है। यहां पे साइन A की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी थी, ये एंगल A था। बट अगर हमें साइन C की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी है तो हमें अपना बेस लेना होगा जो एंगल C का है। मींस हम सेम राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल को रोटेट करते हैं और ये 7 है, ये हमारा बेस हो जाएगा। और 24 परपेंडिकुलर हो जाएगा। ये 24, ये 7, ये एंगल B, ये A और ये C। सी इन दिस ट्राइंगल थोड़ा सा रोटेट किया क्योंकि राइट एंगल के अपोजिट एंगल चाहिए था हमें। B इज राइट एंगल। अब हमें साइन C की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी है। तो अगर हमें साइन C की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी है, फॉर साइन C परपेंडिकुलर क्या होगा? परपेंडिकुलर होगा 24। हाइपोटेन्यूज परपेंडिकुलर और बेस का सम, वो चाहे हमारा ये एंगल है या ये एंगल है, वो दोनों सेम रहेंगे। तो हाइपोटेन्यूज हमने 25 फाइंड आउट किया है। साइन C में सेकेंड पार्ट, साइन C में परपेंडिकुलर बाय हाइपोटेन्यूज दैट इज 24 बाय 25, कोस C बेस बाय हाइपोटेन्यूज। अब हमारा बेस है 7, C एंगल के साथ हमारा बेस है 7 और इसका हाइपोटेन्यूज रहेगा 25। सो ये हमारा फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन के आंसर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, इन गिवन फिगर वी हैव टू फाइंड टेंजेंट P माइनस कोटेंजेंट R। टेंजेंट P For this perpendicular by base, say in this triangle again base नहीं है, hypotenuse है और perpendicular है. So first by Pythagoras we will find base. H square minus P square, 13 square minus 12 square, 169 minus 144. So base is equal to 5 सेंटीमीटर. टेंजेंट P निकालना है. अभी मैंने आपको फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन में बताया जो 90 डिग्री के साथ वाला एंगल हमें फाइंड आउट करना है, हम उसको बेस लेते हैं. सो फॉर टेंजेंट P बेस होगा हमारा 12 सेंटीमीटर, परपेंडिकुलर होगा QR 5 सेंटीमीटर. सो टेंजेंट P 5 बाय 12. अब हमें फाइंड आउट करना है कोटेंजेंट R. अगर हमें R एंगल फाइंड आउट करना है तो हमारा बेस होगा QR और QR की वैल्यू है 5 सेंटीमीटर. परपेंडिकुलर होगा हमारा 12 सेंटीमीटर. कोटेंजेंट का क्या फॉर्मूला होगा? बेस बाय परपेंडिकुलर. बेस है हमारा 5, परपेंडिकुलर है 12. हमें इन दोनों का डिफरेंस फाइंड आउट करना है. टेंजेंट P माइनस कोटेंजेंट R. टेंजेंट P 5 बाय 12 माइनस 5 बाय 12. बोथ आर सेम, सो 0 इज योर आंसर. क्वेश्चन 4. Given 15 cot A is equal to 8, find sin A and secant A. क्वेश्चन 3 आपका बिल्कुल सिंपल था जो हमने पहले अपने इंट्रोडक्शन में भी किया है. सो यू कैन ट्राई योर सेल्फ. 15 cot A is equal to 8. So you can say cot A is equal to 8 by 15. What is cot A? Base by perpendicular. So again by hypotenuse we have to find B square plus P square, 8 square plus 15 square. 8 square is 64, 15 square is 225. When you will add you will get 289. 289 किसका स्क्वायर है? 289 है 17 का स्क्वायर. सो 17 हमारा हाइपोटेन्यूज हो गया. नाउ साइन ए P बाय H. परपेंडिकुलर है हमारा 15 एंड हाइपोटेन्यूज है 17. उसके बाद सीकेंट A. पंडित, बद्री, प्रसाद, हर हर बोले, साइन, कोस, टेंजेंट, कोटेंजेंट, सीकेंट. सो सीकेंट है हमारा H बाय B. H कितना है? 17. B कितना है? 8. सो दिस इज आवर आंसर. Question 6. If angle A and angle B are acute angles such that cos A is equal to cos B, then show that angle A is equal to angle B. So how we will do? See, first we will draw our triangle. Angle A and angle B are acute angle. It means angle C. This one is right angle. Now, if we have to find angle A, for angle A, AC base and BC perpendicular and AB hypotenuse. Now for angle B, If this is the angle, then BC base, AC perpendicular, AB hypotenuse. Now we have to find angle cos A. Cos A, B by H. Now for angle A, AC is base and AB is hypotenuse. For angle B, again we have to find cos B. Cos B, BC is base and AB is hypotenuse. According to our question, they are saying cos A is equal to cos B. This is given. So cos A, AC by AB, BC by AB. When denominator is same, the numerator will also be same. AC is equal to BC. Now see, if two sides of a triangle are equal, then their corresponding angles are also equal. If AC and BC are equal, then angle A is equal to angle B. Hence proved. Question 7. If cot theta is equal to 7 by 8, we have to evaluate 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. And second, we have to find cot square theta. So it is cot theta means base by perpendicular. So first we have to find hypotenuse, square root b square plus p square. B value is 7, 7 square plus 8 square, 49 plus 64. When we will add, we will get under root 130. So H is equal to 130. Now we have to find first 1 plus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta, 1 plus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta. 1 is positive, 1 is negative. We will use our identity a plus b, a minus b, which is a square minus b square. Then a square minus b square. 1 minus sin square theta, 1 minus cos square theta. 1 minus sin square theta is equal to cos square theta. And 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta. So we have to find here cos theta, sin theta. Cos theta is equal to b by h. B is 7. H is under root 113. Sin theta, p by h. P is equal to 8. H is equal to under root 13. We have to find their square. 7 under root 113 square. Then sin square theta. 8 by under root 113 square. 7 square 49 by under root 113 square 113. 8 square 64 by 113. We have to find cos square theta by sin square theta. 49 by 113 divided by 64 by 113. In division we will do reciprocal. 113 will be cancelled. We get 49 by 64. Now see, again for second part, simply they have given cot square theta. Cot theta value we are have 7/8. Its square will be 49/64. So both values are same. So cos square theta by sin square theta is equal to cot square theta. This property also we have proved. Question 8. If 3 cot A is equal to 4, given 3 cot A is equal to 4. Check 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A or not. So first what we will find, cot A is equal to 4 by 3. Cot A means base by perpendicular. So by Pythagoras we will find hypotenuse, p square plus b square, 4 square plus 3 square, 16 plus 9, square root 25. So h is equal to 5. We have to find value of tangent. Tangent will be p by b. So 3 by 4. Then cos b by h. B is 4, h is 5. Then sin p by h, where p is 3, h is 5. Now in this value all are square, so tangent square, 3 by 4 square, 9 by 16. Cos square, 4 by 5 square, 16 by 25. Then sin square, 3 by 5 square, that is 9 by 25. So now value put करते हैं, 1 minus tan square A, 1 plus tan square A, 1 minus 9 by 16, 1 plus 9 by 16. 16 LCM, 16 minus 9, denominator also 16 LCM, 16 plus 9. 16 minus 9, 7 by 16. 16 plus 9, 25 by 16. Divide में रेसिप्रोकल होगा, 7 by 16 into 16 by 25. 16 will cut, 7 by 25. Second, this is our left hand side. Now we have to find right hand side. Cos square A minus sin square A. Cos square A 16 by 25. Sin square A 9 by 25. 16 minus 9, 7 by 25. See, left hand side is equal to right hand side. So hence proved, which we have to prove, yes, these both are equal. Question number 9. In a triangle ABC, right angle at B, if tangent A is equal to 1 by under root 3, find the value of sin A cos C plus cos A sin C. What is tangent A? Perpendicular by base. So by Pythagoras we will find hypotenuse, that is p square plus b square full square root. So p square 1 square plus b square root 3 square. You will get 1 plus 3. So root 4. H is equal to root 4 is equal to 2. Now we have to find sin A. Sin A. This angle is A. This is our base. This is perpendicular. Now according to this, tangent A, perpendicular is equal to 1, base is equal to root 3, and hypotenuse we have find 2. So sin A, that is P by H, 1 by 2, cos A, that is B by H, root 3 by 2. Second, we have to find cos C sin C. How we can find sin C? When we will rotate this triangle, now C angle is at the base. So BC, this is our base, this is our perpendicular. Here we have seen BC, that is 1, AB, that is root 3, and H is equal to 2. So sin C, P by H. In this P is root 3, H is 2. Cos C, B by H. B is 1, H is 2. Now first we have to find sin A cos C plus cos A sin C. Sin A 1 by 2 multiply cos C 1 by 2 plus cos A root 3 by 2 sin C root 3 by 2. Now we will multiply 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, 1 by 4 plus root 3 into root 3, 3 by 4. When we will add 4 by 4, so it is 1. Now second evaluation, it is cos A cos C minus sin A sin C. Cos A, it is root 3 by 2, cos C, it is 1 by 2, minus sin A is 1 by 2, sin C is root 3 by 2. Now we will multiply root 3 into 1, root 3, 2 2 is 4, minus root 3 by 4. Both are same with opposite sign, so both will cancel, answer will be 0. This we have to find. Question 10. In PQR, right angle at Q, PR plus QR is equal to 25 cm and PQ is 5 cm. Determine sin P, cos P and tangent P. So in triangle PQR, PR is our hypotenuse. So PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square. So PQ square is equal to PR square minus QR square. PQ we can write 5 square. This identity we can open, A square minus B square, that is equal to PR plus QR into PR minus QR. 5 square is 25. PR plus QR value is given here 25 into PR minus QR. By transposition method, when this 25 will go at left hand side, 25 divided by 25, that is equal to PR minus QR. So PR minus QR is equal to 1. This we have find PR plus QR is equal to 25. This is given in your question. Now add both. You will get 2PR is equal to 26. These both are same, so this will cancel. PR is equal to 26 by 2. 13. PR is our hypotenuse, so hypotenuse is 13. Now we have to find PQ already given. QR we have to find PR plus QR is equal to 25. So QR is equal to 25 minus PR, that is 13. So 25 minus 13, it is 12. Now sine P, if this P angle we will take as base angle, so it is base, it is perpendicular, it is hypotenuse, sine P, P by H. P means QR by PR. QR 12, PR 13, then cos P, base by hypotenuse, base is PQ by PR, PQ is 5, PR is 13. Then tangent P, P by B. P is 12 and B is 5. So this we have to find. In this video we have done exercise 8.1 of your NCERT books. All questions we have done here. So I hope you all get this thing. So like this video and subscribe the channel.